And sometimes you see into your smartphone apps with no icon or strange names, apps with high usage data, or unknown apps using battery. When you see these things, make sure there is someone who's spying on you or someone is hacking you. Because hackers sometimes run apps in background. When you see all these things, make sure you're hacked. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check if your phone is hacked or if there is someone who's spying on you. This is possible. Sometimes you hear about hacking, but you understand nothing. Maybe you're a woman. Somebody of your friend can tell you your man has hacked you, but you're not sure if this is true, or rather you can see, you can find out that it's true, but you don't know how to do it in order to log him out. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna reveal all secrets hidden about hacking. What is hacking? Hacking is the way you can clone one app into similar apps, into many devices. Maybe you can be using WhatsApp and someone can clone it into another smartphone. Your messages are read with this one. If somebody sends you the voice, another one who has hacked you can read it again. And then whenever you post a status, for instance, this other one can see it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check if your platform is hacked. Then all platforms can be hacked by hackers, whether it's WhatsApp, Facebook, Easy Messages, Google, and all different accounts that you know, like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. All these accounts can be hacked. Okay, in this video, I'm not going to show you how you can hack because I don't teach about hacking, but I'm going to show you how you can check if you're hacked, if someone is reading your messages. You hear this is the good video. Okay, don't skip this video, stay until the end. This is the New Life Studio Game User. I'm Eric, the admin of this channel. I provide smartphone tips and tricks, especially hidden in smartphones. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for staying active and updated for all new videos that we upload on this channel. Okay, here I'm gonna show you how you can check if your phone is hacked. First of all, we're gonna begin with WhatsApp. Here I'm gonna learn my WhatsApp app to check if my WhatsApp is hacked or not hacked. Okay, I'm gonna do like this. I learn my WhatsApp, diving into WhatsApp. Here I choose the 3 points like this. Here you see linked devices. Type in the linked device to check if my phone is hacked or not. Oh guys, when you see something like this, make sure someone is spying on you. Then someone is reading my messages or my messages. Here they show you that my WhatsApp is allowed to transfer the chat into 4 devices, but one is already transferred. Then this one, it is S21 is reading my message. How is it? Let me see. You see here they're giving me device name S21. This means what? This S21 is reading my messages. It means all of these WhatsApp messages, there is someone else who's using this smartphone S21 that is reading them. Okay, how can I do it in order to log him out? I must go here like this. 3 points here again. Link the devices. I select the device which is hacking my messages. I select 3 points like this, and I type remove the device. Remove the device. Okay, I'm gonna remove the device. Okay, how can I show the phone which is not reading someone's message? Okay, here there is a device which is not hacked. I'm gonna show you how can I see if you're not hacked. You will run your WhatsApp app. Okay, here we choose the 3 points like this in the right corner. Choose link the device, type link the device, and you see there is no smartphone here. There is no one who is spying at me. You see, link a device. If they ask you to link your device, it means there is no one who already reading your messages. See, this is different from this one, like this. You see, this is very different. You see, this is very different. Here they shows you another device which is transferred by this dialogue. Okay. It was the best way to show you how you can check if your phone is hacked. Okay, this is the best. This is the one of the platforms that can be hacked. It was WhatsApp. And then how can you check it on Facebook? Make sure you can also check it on Facebook like we have already checked it on WhatsApp. Then Facebook also can be hacked, and there is the best way to check if your Facebook is hacked. Also, there is the way to disconnect it, to log it out. This is the Nula Studio News. I ask everyone who is reading this video to subscribe to the channel for staying updated at the new videos that we upload here. Please like the video. I promise you that I'm gonna give you the next video how you can check if your Facebook is hacked. In the next video, also I'm gonna show you all accounts like Twitter, like TikTok, like Instagram, and other accounts. Do you want me to show you how you can do it? Please subscribe to the channel for staying updated every time. Thank you for choosing this video. Bye.